To download the Zupee Cash app, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device or the App Store on your iOS device. Type Zupee Cash in the search bar and select the app from the search results. Click on the Install button to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, click on the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to allow the app to access certain permissions on your device, such as location and contacts. Review the permissions and click on the Allow button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to create an account or login if you already have one. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button and enter your mobile number and email address. You will receive a verification code on your mobile number, which you need to enter to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be asked to set up your profile by providing some basic information such as your name and date of birth. You can also add a profile picture and cover photo if you want. Now that you have created your account and set up your profile, you can start exploring the app and its features. The Zupee Cash app allows you to play games and participate in contests to win cash prizes. You can browse through the available games and contests and select the ones you want to participate in. To participate in a game or contest, click on the Play Now button and follow the instructions. You can also check your account balance and transaction history by clicking on the Wallet button. It is essential to note that the Zupee Cash app is only available for users who are 18 years or older. Additionally, the app is subject to certain terms and conditions, which you should review before using it. By following these steps, you can easily download and start using the Zupee Cash app to play games and win cash prizes.